Welcome back to JLab Audio. I'm Terra Teat, CMO.
Hi, I'm Cramer, CEO.
And we are not live. We are pre-recording, but we will be answering questions live. So
That's confusing.
yeah, it is, especially since they're kind of live with us now because they're watching. But I
will answer questions.
You will.
Yeah.
Live.
Good.
And so he will be down below in the comments answering questions live. And we're going to go through today and talk about the Studio ANC headphones.
Yes, we are. I'm excited about the Studio ANC headphones because it's our second ANC product, but this time we made it affordable.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah. It's a big deal for us. So we created our Studio ANC headphone, and it was a big deal for us to make something that is accessible and affordable to anyone and everyone that wants to experience active noise canceling.
Mm-hmm.
And what is active noise canceling? Essentially, it's technology that reverses the outside noise that you're hearing. So really good for plane flights or bus rides or subway rides, etc. That monotonous hum that you hear in the background when you're traveling.
Yep.
This reverses that and allows you to have a more quiet, peaceful, calm experience.
Yep. Like last week, they were working on the garage doors in our office.
And you put these on. And how'd that work out for you?
Great.
Yeah, fantastic. That's what active noise canceling does.
Yep.
It allows you to have a more peaceful, calm experience. And now everyone can have a more peaceful, calm experience because these are affordable. What is our price point, Tara?
$59.
$59. Where will these be sold?
Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and others.
Yeah.
Online, Amazon also.
Correct. So it will be widely distributed, which is good for everybody because they'll have an easy way to pick them up in the store. But we can talk about some of the things that these do. I'm really excited about the Playtime. That's important for me because I travel so often and I don't like charging things.
Yep.
So we put a massive battery inside of these. So you'll get 35 hours of playtime without ANC, about 30 hours of playtime with ANC, and that's both Bluetooth connected as well. So you can connect to your device via Bluetooth and activate the ANC, and you'll have a nice, peaceful, comfortable experience.
Mm-hmm. Yep. One of the, I don't know if I would call it a feature, but I love that they're on-ear versus over-ear because the over-ear get a little bit bulky. They're also super expensive, and these are very portable.
Yep. And for me, I think on-ear are usually a little heavy, and these are very lightweight, so they're comfortable and easy to wear for all-day experiences. Also important to note, I think, we ship with an aux cable. And this is a true story. I found out the hard way. I was traveling to Germany like 2 years ago with an active noise canceling piece, and I was testing it out. And I got on the plane and I went to watch my movie, and I tried to watch my movie, but they were Bluetooth, and I couldn't connect to the plane to watch the movie, which was super frustrating. So we made sure on any travel oriented product that we have. That we ship it with an aux cable. So if you're traveling on a plane or you need to plug in, you can. So you can still enjoy that experience, but have the convenience of Bluetooth when you're not on the plane.
Yep. They're also designed off of our best-selling, and actually one of the best-selling in the marketplace, the Studio family. And there's some upgrades kind of from the Studio as far as fit.
Yeah, there's a couple upgrades from the standard Studio piece. So, I mean, if you can see the cushions here, they're a little more plush, a little thicker. They have a super soft PU. We know you're going to wear these for longer experiences, so we want to ensure that the comfort level is there. We also changed the shape of the ear cup just a little bit and added more buttons because you have to add more buttons to make stuff work. But we designed it to be super comfortable, to be able to be worn all day. But we saved the same features from the original that we love. So the really cool, elegant stitching on the top and the bottom just gives it a nice touch, a nice elegant look. But then the memory foam cushions are fantastic.
Yep. Yeah, and then talk a little bit about the controls, what you can control directly from the headphones.
Yeah, so we try to give you control to do everything. So we have volume up, down, track forward, track back. Access to your digital assistant via Google or Siri, and then obviously to activate ANC is a quick button press as well.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good. Well, I guess at this point, we normally would say, hey, what are your questions? What did we miss? So this is a great chance as you're listening and have questions to type them below. And when we'll get back
I'll be
to
live
you.
and I'll answer them.
Answer away.
Fantastic.
So thanks for tuning in. We're thankful for your time, thankful for your following us, and keep in touch.
Thanks, everybody. Bye.